a little windy, but finally got my light bar mounted. Just used a thin piece of metal to make these little brackets. Should hold up. It's not too bad. It moves a little bit, but if it breaks, I'll just make one with thicker pieces of metal. But excited to have that going again. And it's taken me a little bit, but I got my truss on there, painted everything. Try not to overspray too much, but got these Currie Johnny Joints. I think they flex 30 degrees on both upper control arms, so that should keep my bushings from wearing out, because man, they were shot. There was not much rubber left in there. Anyway, should make my Dana 30 much stronger than it was before. And I won't have any more problems with my control arms. I'm gonna take it out in a couple of weeks and test it out.